In today's video, we are talking about Bronco, and I've got a few questions here that I have been receiving from social media from my previous clients. So I thought I'd make this video so that I can share my feedback, some of these answers with you. So let's talk Bronco, let's talk delays. Yeah, I know. Let's talk tops, let's talk problems, let's talk about answers. Don't go anywhere. What is going on, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant here in Tomball Ford. We are located in Tomball, Texas. I hope you guys are doing well and having a fantastic day. Well, we are talking about Bronco today. So, if you haven't been following my channel, I would ask you that you subscribe, that you hit that bell notification, share this video so that other people can get answers regarding the Ford Broncos. So without further ado, let's dive deep. Let's answer these questions. Let's get you answered, and hopefully we can get your Bronco as soon as possible. Okay guys, let's start with the roofs, right? Not talking about the delays, but the available roof. So I've got a cheat sheet here because I definitely do not want to miss anything, and I want to go through these 2 pages of some rapid fire questions. And as always guys, if there is a question in your mind, the comment section below is open. I read every single question, I read every single comment, whether it be good, bad. It is a place where you can vent and share your frustrations with everybody. So this is a community. We'd like to learn from each other and be respectful as well, so keep that in mind. So what roofs, and pardon me, I'm going to be reading a little bit. What roofs options are available for the Broncos? So I'm going to share my screen right now because I still get confusions on the types of roofs that Ford is offering. So right now we've got the #1 roof that is the most available roof, which is the soft top. It is standard on all of the 4-door Broncos except the Wild Track and the First Edition. It is cloth, and you can see a picture of that top right there, okay? So it does have some vinyl or plastic window inserts right there, as you can see. The second top is the molded in colored top, MIC for short. Now this does not mean that this is colored matched top, okay? So that has been a confusion with a few of my clients. The molded in color top basically means that if you cut through the top, you will see gray all throughout. It is a textured material. It is not a smooth finish. It is only gray in color. So for 2021 and for 2022, the only 2 tops that will be produced are gonna be the soft top and the molded in color top. That is it, guys. Okay, so if you guys are interested in the color top, the shiny black, the white top, a color to match top, they are all going to be available for 2023. Okay, they are not going to be produced for 2021 like they stated, or 22 like they stated before. It's now going to be for 2023, unfortunately. So as you can see right here, the modular painted top, which is I think the nicest looking top that Ford is going to be producing. The modularity part of it means that the windows and the cargo area will be able to be removed. And this is a shiny finish, is a smooth finish. This is black, but you can have it in white, and whatever color Bronco you have or select, you will be able to match that as well. But unfortunately, that is not going to be available until 2023. So is the dual top selection, basically the top of the MIC or modular, along with the soft top as well. Now, just continuing right here, a couple of things that are new for 2022, as you can read right there. Green color, special editions, the manual Sasquatch package, the highly anticipated package, that's going to be available for 2022, as well as the 4-door Sasquatch with the roof rack. And for 2023, we talked about it. We talked about the tops. That's what's going to be available for the 2023 model year. Continuing on the next question, I want to go through this as quickly as possible. I don't want this video to be super long. Are two-door Broncos still going to be produced for 2021 model year, given that the hardtop roof challenges are there? Yes, two-door Broncos will be continued to be produced throughout the 2021 model year. However, you cannot switch from the hardtop to a soft top on a two-door Bronco. That's the bad thing about that. Question: how are Bronco two-doors and four-door First Editions customers impacted by this news? All Bronco First Editions will be produced for 2021. They will be scheduled throughout the year. So not because you have a First Edition means that you're gonna get yours first. You know, you could actually get a First Edition towards the end of the year. We haven't received a First Edition yet here at Tomball Ford, but luckily all of the 7,000 Bronco First Editions will be produced by Ford. What is included in the hardtop prep kit? That is a question that has been recently introduced by the last email that we received a couple of days ago. Let me read the answer. The hardtop prep kit includes on all of the four-door soft top orders. It is effective September 21 model year production. Okay, so it has to be produced in September. The kit includes the proper connections for the rear windshield wiper and the defroster, as well as the controls needed for these features. Prior to all of this fiasco happening, if you ordered a soft top, you could not get that prep kit at no charge. Okay, you would not be able to have access to the washer, the windshield wiper if you added a hardtop to it. Now Ford is giving that kit absolutely free if you switch to a soft top. Question: if a customer switches to a soft top, does that guarantee them a 2021 Bronco? That is another question that I have been received. Let me tell you that Ford is saying that it does not guarantee, but switching to the soft top will expedite the order. However, it does not guarantee the 2021 model year. That's a tough one, guys. That is a tough one because you want to get your Broncos sooner than later. But what if you switch to the soft top and it still doesn't get produced? So you're gonna have to talk to me. We can actually talk on the phone if you're my client, if you're my customer. We can talk about it. We can see how far down on the list you are, and we can figure this out to get you the Bronco the soonest that we can possibly do so. Next question: will the hardtop prep kit be available for customers whose four-door soft top Bronco is built before September production? The answer is no. So the hardtop prep kit will only be included beginning the September production. So if you've got a soft top and it was produced before September, no free prep kit for you. If a customer no longer wants to wait for the delayed roof, can they update their order to be considered for the 21 model year? Of course, yes. Ford says that they encourage the customers who would like to be considered for the 21 production year to update their order and the roof and select the soft top with the prep kit, or actually the MIC top, because that will still be produced for 2021. But yes, we have to remove the priority code 99. So that's another thing, guys. If you are not my customers, make sure that your dealership takes you from the priority code 99 if you want your Bronco to be produced sooner than later, because if it's left at 99, it will never ever get produced. So check that out with your dealership. How will a customer, this is another question, be able to get a hardtop roof when available in 2023? So let's say that you switch to a soft top to get your Bronco sooner than later, and you want to purchase the hardtop. Those are going to be available as an accessory through your dealership. And Ford is saying while they cannot provide you with a price, it is going to be a little bit more than the price that's listed at the Ford.com build a price tool. Ford is saying because of the shipping and stuff like that. But it looks like it's until 2023 before you can buy your actual hardtop. Guys, I think there's gonna be aftermarket companies that will have hardtops available that you can buy and not wait until Ford allows you to purchase the hardtop from them until 2023. Next question: how do we handle the customer who wants to wait for 2023 roof options? Well, that's easy. We just need to put them in a priority code 99 so that Ford doesn't touch it, and we will touch base with you if you're wanting to wait. I would say probably summer of 2022 when information becomes available on the 23 model year. What changes, next questions, are coming to the 22 model year production? Well, paint, colors, some like green, special edition, manual Sasquatch is coming as well, and the four-door Sasquatch with the roof is also coming as well. That's highly anticipated. When does the 23 model year begin? Well, it's going to begin in Q4 of 2022. So I'm thinking late summer of 22, we should be able to start placing orders for the 23 model year. For those of you that are willing and wanting to wait, and for those new customers in 22 that we get, you will be able to place your 23 model year order probably late summer. Another question, will a customer's reservation timestamp still apply for 2023? Ford says yes, the timestamp will continue to be a factor in scheduling throughout future model years. At this time, there is no expiration date for the reservation. So Ford is saying, hey, if you got a early timestamp and you definitely want the hardtop, you are in no hurry, well, you can continue to use your timestamp so that when you get your 23 order in, you should be considered to be built sooner than later because of your timestamp. Okay, what does price protection mean? Well, for any customer with a Bronco reservation or an order as of March 19, 2021, Ford will ensure that you will not see an increase on the MSRP if you receive an equivalent equipped 22 or 23 model year Bronco. Just as long as you have a reservation or an order by March 19, 2021, so a few months ago, then you're in the clear. If you are a new customer, prices is probably gonna go up for you. So how can customers receive their Bronco sooner? Well, the biggest thing is to try to avoid any commodity restraints, parts, basically shortages. These are it: the hardtop roof, the 2.7 engine, Lux, Sasquatch package, Badlands, wall track, towing package. Well, pretty much everything, right? Holy smokes. I mean, it's hard, I guess, being in the shoes of Ford, trying to fulfill all of these orders and all of these customers that are willing to give Ford money to get their Bronco, and Ford is not able to produce these because they outsource the supplies, and these suppliers can't produce these parts so that Ford can, make these awesome vehicles. So all I can say is if you switch to a soft top, that'll get you in the door. And if you are able to avoid any of these items that I just mentioned, then the likelihood of you getting a 2021 is there. These are just a few questions that I've received from Ford and from my customers, and man, it's a little bit of a waiting game, but we'll see what happens. Also, guys, I want to share with you that Tomball Ford is going to be getting 2 mannequin units. I believe we're going to be getting a Cyber Orange Badlands with the manual transmission. That's going to be awesome. It's a 2-door one. And we are also going to be getting a 4-door Rapid Red Wild Track. And this one's going to be unique because it's going to have the soft top. Ford announced that all of the 4-door and 2-door, I believe 4-door only, mannequins are going to be coming with a soft top. And you guys know that the 4-door Wild Track and the First Edition and the 2-door Broncos cannot have the soft top. So these mannequins, the likelihood of them coming with a soft top is really, really high, just to try to keep all of the molded and colored tops available for the customer's build. So guys, in conclusion, man, I want to say that you guys have been awesome. All of my clients have been sticking through this. I know we've received a few cancellations, and I completely understand. But if you're there, if you are kind of on the fence, I would suggest just wait on it. There's really no hurt in just waiting. Your deposit is refundable. So keep that in mind. Talking from experience, being in Broncos already at a dealer meet west of Austin, the Bronco Off Rodeo, let me tell you that these Broncos are just absolutely mind-blowing. And seeing them in person, driving them, and seeing their capabilities, it's just awesome. It is just great. So guys, I hope that you can keep on holding to this. If you got any questions, let me know. I do want to share with you that an important date is July 16. July 16, we have to turn in the orders so that you can go ahead and switch over to a soft top. So any customer of mine, message me. My email address is going to be on the screen, and you guys know it and have it already. Let me know if you switch, if you want to make the switch, so that I can send you the order summary form for you to review and sign off to make sure that everything is good. As always, the comment section below is open. Type away. I read every single comment. Like, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming Bronco video. Thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. Have a blessed day. On to the next video.